Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to be unboxing the new Predator Ghost from Harbor Freight. It's like the kart racing engine for a version of the 212.
It's got like some valve springs, a little bit different flywheel,
A
carburetor,
top plate,
yeah, top plate,
electric governor. So we're going to have a red line.
yeah. And we won this on, well, this is what won on the Instagram poll. So it's gonna be on the mobility scooter. So that's a first. So let's unbox it and see what all the hype is actually about.
It looks like it's all that's in the box, and then it just comes with a little bottle. Okay, so this is it. It has a top plate.
Performance carburetor, what is it, like a YZ22, something like that? Oh, PZ22. It's round slide. The hole is a lot smaller than I expected. That's probably like a 18 millimeter hole maybe. It's got the new,
It's got a heat-treated rod in it.
yeah, heat treated rod, Hemi valve cover,
Yeah,
and then,
that's a first
yeah.
on our, because you can't get Hemis
You can't
in
get these-
California.
Yeah, and you can't get these in non-Hemi, so this is pretty cool. Red, cool starter cord, whatever it is. Nice black finish on the side cover.
The valve cover also.
Yeah, it's really nice, like black and stuff.
Has a top fill for oil, and it also, this we're gonna probably use is for the pulse pump, which is gonna
yeah.
be right here.
That's in the accessory kit. It's like $150. It comes with like exhaust, the little, what's that called? Like the little nipple things for this, the pulse pump. It's got some fuel line.
Air filter.
Oh yeah, air filter. So
We're not gonna be taking apart the engine in this video just because I feel like there's other videos.
if you take it apart, it voids the warranty, and
that's no good.
yeah, we're just gonna leave it for now, see how it runs. Oh wow, they actually gave, Predator never gave any lock washers for the exhaust, and now there's black lock washers. So that's a little plus.
One of the most exciting things about this engine is the
Top oil film,
the
electric owner.
yeah, for redlining it. So
Yeah, so
that's kind of cool.
it, around 6,000 RPMs I read, it begins to have a red line. It has the, just like every other time, just the normal Predator kill switch, no oil sensor, and they, that's interesting.
Oh,
They
yeah,
just
it's
put like a,
It's ungoverned too, so that's nice. You don't have to take it out.
yeah,
It's a black cape, black robe. This engine's just like a better version of a 212, and it's for competition use only. We're not going to be using it for competition use. But I think they're going to be making a class for these engines where you can only run this 212 because this is meant for karting.
yeah.
And since it has the electric governor, it can't go past 6,000.
So even if you upgrade it,
It's gonna stay at 6,000 even with all the other competitors, which is,
what you might have is some more torque, but
wow, I don't think
That's-
they'll allow that.
yeah.
To upgrade your engine. But yeah, we're gonna put some oil in this thing and start to do the break-in cycle.
It's got all of the original, same exact bolt holes as the regular 212, yeah. So this thing's pretty cool. Let's pour some oil, and then let's get it running and maybe hear the red line, because I actually really want to hear that. So let's pour in oil and get something done with the throttle, figure something out, and also fuel. So we're gonna put you guys on a time lapse to see all of that, and then we're just gonna try to start it. So
for the first time.
Let's hope all goes well. Alrighty guys, so we got the engine filled with oil, and now we're gonna just mount it onto the scooter. We don't have the clutch or chain, so we're just gonna have it mounted on the scooter just for a lot more sturdiness, and we're just gonna rev it, get it into the braking period, and then hopefully here's some nice red line. Something like that, hopefully. Even though it's probably not gonna be anything close to that. And then we might maybe get some work on it done, but probably not. Yeah, let's just mount the engine and hear it run.
For the first time ever.
Subscribe! Alrighty guys, so engine is tight. Now we're trying to find a bottle or something to use that for our fuel. We were gonna do a pulse pump because we just had one laying around. Then we realized that we didn't have the pulse nipple, so it's not gonna work. And we're not trying to put it in the valve cover like a lot of people do. So we're just gonna have to gravity feed it. So we're trying to get that done right now, and then first start.
You can start first.
I'll start it and he'll.
And you can hold the bottle after you start. Go.
Man, the brother motor.
Here you go. Is
Alright,
it on?
guys.
Is it on? Yeah, it's on. Is it choke? First start up on the new Ghost.
Alrighty guys, so we're gonna run the engine just for you guys, just to see some flames, because they're pretty nice. So, just a little run.
They're very good, very nice. Very good, very nice, very good.
Yeah, go.
That was sick.
Alrighty guys, so those were some small flames.
They're very good, very nice.
They were bigger a little before, but it's okay, good enough. So, we're done with the engine for this video. It's on, it runs good. We just made this janky little exhaust with what we had, just to hear how it's gonna be with this muffler. And it sounds pretty good. So, this is a great engine for all your race karts and mobility scooter if you're building one. So we'll put the link down in the description and make sure to go check it out.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, please. So yeah, that's a wrap for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and know a little bit more about the Ghost 212cc Predator. We're gonna be releasing a lot more content on this thing. See you guys later.
Bye, very good, very nice.